Welcome everybody on Cook India Cook channel. Today we will be making Kanda Poha. Although it is called a Maharashtrian cuisine, but it is very popular in every part of India. Mainly because it is very quick to make, very easy to make, and it's very light also. Perfect for breakfast. But sometimes our poha becomes very mashy, hence not very tasty to eat. Following only 2-3 small tips, you will be able to make very good poha. So let's start. Ingredients needed for making poha can be seen onto the screen. 2 cups of beaten or flattened rice or poha, 1 big finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 5 to 6 or 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1 tablespoon plus 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. To wash poha, add water to the bowl of poha and sieve it with the help of a colander. It is a very important step to wet the poha in the beginning because while we will be doing other steps, the poha will become very soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add peanuts and roast them onto medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. If you take roasted peanuts, you can skip this step. Now the peanuts have roasted. Take them out in another bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. Add mustard seeds and let them splatter. When they splatter, add green chilies and curry leaves. Roast them for a minute. Now add finely chopped onions, turmeric powder and salt to the pan. Saute them on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. While onions are sauteing, we will add lemon juice, coriander leaves, salt and sugar to the poha. Mix that with very light hand. Now you will find that your poha has become sticky. Separate them with the help of fingers very light-handed. This is a very important step to avoid poha breaking or becoming mushy while cooking. Now onions got roasted, we will add peanuts and poha mixture. Mix them very well with very light hand. It is very important to mix them with light hand so that to avoid them breaking or becoming mushy. You can see the poha are not sticky at all. They have got very nice yellow color. Only key to make good poha is to handle them with very light hands. Serve them hot with Bikaneri bhujia. Hope all of you have enjoyed watching this easy and quick recipe. Happy cooking!